What is going on, hustlers? Welcome back into Hustlepedia. Today I want to cover Meter.io, a layer 1, layer 2 interoperability and scaling protocol, which is very uniquely backed by an electricity-backed stablecoin, which is basically running off of what they call the electricity standard, which is basically like the gold standard, obviously, but it is backed off of global electricity. And I want to get into this project from top to bottom, the chains they're interoperating with, and exactly what this protocol is serving and why this is such a bullish project. Because you look, this is at $11 million market cap, $11.2 million market cap, only 95,000 on the volume the last 24 hours. At $4.83 sits the Meter governance token, and there is also the stablecoin, the Meter stablecoin, which is backed by global electricity, sitting at $2.69. We'll dive into Meter.io's protocol, get into both native assets, exactly the electricity factor. I have a video that describes it very well as well. And then I want to get into the interoperability solutions and why this protocol can definitely do major numbers and growth in the future. Be sure to drop down and hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. We come out with brand new crypto and altcoin gems every single day here on the channel. And be sure to drop down and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, if you are enjoying the videos on the channel, and if you are making major X's with the projects we have been putting out on the channel. Let's go ahead and get into Meter.io. And Meter, I'm going to read the coin market cap. I want to get into this video, and then we'll take a look at their website, because I think the video describes a lot of things very well based on the electricity-backed stablecoin, which makes this project so unique, in my opinion. It's pegging the value of their stablecoin to the electricity. I absolutely love it. So Meter is layer 1 DeFi infrastructure with a proof-of-work mined, low-volatility coin, Meter, at its core. That is the stablecoin. Meter is a fully decentralized, permissionless, stable cryptocurrency that enables counterparty, regulatory, and oracle risks found with cryptocurrency and fiat-backed coins. The Meter system uses proof of work to create Meter stablecoin and proof of stake with the Meter governance token to validate transactions. DeFi developers can use Meter as a programmable layer 1 infrastructure with Meter as the medium of exchange or a sidechain to other blockchains to allow interaction across crypto assets. So it is at its core, it is an interoperability, scalability protocol at its core, as well as a layer 1 infrastructure. And you look at its pros against other scaling protocols like Polygon, Scale, and Cosmos. It's compatible with Ethereum, scalable to thousands of validators, thousands of transactions per second. It's one of the quickest and the highest transactions per second out of all the scalability platforms. This is definitely, like, it's not just marketing ploy with all this. This is true performance. The Meter platform is outperforming most of these other scalability platforms right at this moment in terms of performance. They just have not gotten that growth in their project yet, and it is an up-and-coming project. And the partnerships we'll get into are crazy. The interoperability with the ecosystems they're building is awesome. We'll get into that in a second. But built in a metastable currency, heterogeneous network of blockchains, instant finality, staking, and mainnet, all for Meter. So that is awesome to see. And I want to play this video real quick. Anchors the power of blockchain to the stability of electricity. The most abundant commodity and value stable resource is electricity in the world. So they don't want to peg their stablecoin to the value. Yeah, a value that is losing money over time. The dollar is not any value over time. It is just losing value as time goes on, as more is being printed into the economy. Electricity is a stable growth, and they have a chart that we'll get into in a second. Look at their website. So Scale and Connect the Financial Internet. It's a high-performance infrastructure that allows smart contracts to scale and travel seamlessly through heterogeneous blockchain networks. It's highly decentralized, fast and scalable, and interconnected through multiple blockchains with the Passport, and it is operating on some of the top blockchains and fastest growing blockchains right now in the entire cryptocurrency landscape. Blockchains like Avalanche, Moonriver, Theta, Ethereum. They're building on all of they're operating on all of these different networks with the interoperability. And then you look at their partners: Harmony One, Razor, Chainlink, Polygon, Origin, AVAX Labs or Avalanche Labs, Moonbeam for Moonriver, Elrond. There's so many blockchains they are working with, they are partnering with, they are interoperable with. And as you see here, allow your community to access interoperability with our unique bridge. Why bridge with Meter? We're decentralized, managed by 5 independent, reputable relayers through multi-sig contracts. In the next version, it will scale unlimited number of relayers. A secure, decentralized bridge is a layer 1 consensus problem among the relayers. Not every team can do this properly. We support both ERC20 and ERC720 NFT contracts, smart contract interactions across blockchains. We do not have an upper limit on bridge transfers. We have a fixed gas fee per transfer with subsidies from the the MTR governance token. Currently support Ethereum, AVAX, Binance Smart Chain, Moonriver, Ampleforth, and Theta. So a very, you just look at the blockchains that are growing there. The Theta, Moonriver, the BSC is obviously established, but I feel like it's so slept on, and the fees are just so much lower than the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum, obviously, and AVAX, one of what I think will be one of the biggest run-ups in the bull run when it gets to altcoin season. So, Meter has so much going for it at this moment in time, and they're updating every single couple of weeks here on the Meter Monthly. The last Meter Monthly, they went ahead and launched their new DEX platform, VoltSwap. It is their very own DEX, so that is awesome. It is a community-driven project. First DEX on the Meter blockchain, aims to ensure that both retail traders and investors have the best financial tools. Allows you to swap variety of tokens, earn APY, maximize yields, all on a decentralized layer 2 scaling protocol. So once again, another awesome innovation by this platform. Everything that this platform has, at its core, is something to be super bullish about. It's an infrastructure built in, crypto native, and a metastable currency. Functions at a high performance EVM compatible sidechain for Ethereum and other public chains. Meter solves the lack of a stable decentralized unit of account, establishing value for DeFi apps. Basically, native currencies are too volatile to be used for frequent transactions, and stablecoins are either centralized, have limited capacity, or depend on oracles. It was built from the ground up. DeFi apps like decentralized exchanges, synthetic asset platforms, lending apps, and others can build on top of Meter to leverage its fast DeFi network, can be used for everyday purchases and payments, such as for your cup of coffee, a new shirt, or payments to friends and family across the world. While governments are devaluing their currency, as I mentioned earlier in this video, with continuous printing, money machine go burr, as they say, Meter maintains its long-term value by being pegged to 10 kilowatt hour of electricity, one of the most stable resources in the world. And as you see here, the graph of industrial electricity equilibrium price anchors Meter to the global competitive global electricity price, which is more stable value in currency than any fiat-based and historical data. Between 1960 and 2021, electricity prices went up 6.3 times when measured in US dollars. So the orange line here tracks how much more stable the electricity is to the value of the dollar, which is an insane concept. So the supply of Meter is uncapped. When the demand is higher, miners will expand the supply, whereas demand is lower. The auction process will continually move Meter from circulation, reducing the supply. And as we said, it can be used for everyday payments, and they do have on-chain auctions on the Meter network, which is amazing. They're basically trying to be that. This is the most underrated. I'll just throw it out there. It's the most underrated layer 1, layer 2, probably on the entirety of the blockchain. When you look at the market cap on this project, they have a solid community, guys. Their Twitter has, I believe, 16,000 followers. Their Telegram has about 10,000 members, I believe. Bullish on, guys. And right now, the only places you can get your hands on the governance token is Gate.io, Mexi, VoltSwap, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap. And then for the governance token, you can get your hands on it on Gate.io, Mexi, and Who. And then they do have a wallet of their own. They also have a downloadable wallet on your browser, on your computer, and then you can configure your MetaMask as well. I I am not an investment advisor. I definitely did pick up some Meter today and added it to my DeFi portfolio, especially as a low cap layer 1, layer 2 gem. This electricity standard of the blockchain, I think, is going to be a major run-up potential. And not only that, I think that the vision behind this project is amazing. And I think if more, look how many watch lists this project is on, guys. It's on 5,000 watch lists. The stablecoin's only on 1,000 watch lists. I had added this stable to my watch list. I already have the governance on my watch list. But the point here is you are super early on this if you are looking into this asset, in my opinion. And the amount of blockchains it's building on, the interoperability, is going to be an amazing growth potential in the bull market and moving forward. The most underrated layer 1 on the blockchain. I am not an investment advisor, but I am just letting you know projects I have my eyes on, and Meter governance and the Meter stablecoin are definitely both bullish projects. Attaching your dollar to the electricity is not a bad idea at all, obviously. And then just the project overall, amazing things that it has going for it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button down below, like the video, leave me your thoughts on meter.io down below, the interoperability layer 1, layer 2 solution for scalability across the blockchain, the electricity standard of the blockchain. Stay bullish, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more videos as always. Peace.